Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this easy messy bun hairstyle on medium length hair. To start, I'm going to pop it into a mid-height ponytail. Then divide that ponytail in half straight down the middle. And we're going to push both of those halves up towards the elastic band. Then slip a clear elastic band over the middle where they join, so you've got a little bun. Apply some dry texture spray. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull the bun in opposite directions to make it big and messy. When you're happy with the look of your bun, just secure this to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. I probably used about 4. Now we're going to take individual pieces of hair from the side of the bun, and I'm just going to wrap the first one down to make a loop and secure it. To make this a bit easier, you can take a little bit of hair, slide a bobby pin onto the very end, twist this towards the bun to make your loop, and then just push it into the bun where it looks good. Do this with all the remaining hair. I made sure that I left a few pieces of hair hanging down. So it is literally just as easy as slipping a bobby pin onto the end of the hair, twisting this towards the bun and pushing it in where it looks nice. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.